So a new update from the systematic finance, popularly known as Sysfi. So you can see here they said this Sysfi update, the in-app wallet on the Sysfi Nexus app is fully non-custodial, meaning you are in complete control of your fund. Important: if you forgot your password, you won't be able to recover your wallets. Make sure to backup your secret phrase or private key using the in-app backup feature. Stay bullish, big things are coming. So here in the image you can see they have make an arrow to show the backup here. So let's go and backup our seed phrase. So it's simple. The first thing is to tap on the link. If you don't have the link will be in the description section of video. Maybe those people are in this project, they know the app we created. If you haven't created app, you haven't created your wallet, you can also create. If you're new and if you want to start in this project, you can DM me. I will leave our community channel so that I can DM and show you the step by step, or I will leave the video about how to create the wallet or start the project. It's very simple. It is loading. So after loading, you can see here it is open. So here you come to the wallet section here, tap on it, you can see backup seed phrase. Choose what to backup. You can see choose what to backup. So me, I will choose mine. You can see me, I have choose mnemonic phrase. You can see there are so many instructions to avoid, and you can see here review seed phrase. So you can see here review seed phrase. So I'll review mine. So here it is required to enter my password to review. To also tap yours. So let me tap. So you can see here your numeric phrase is here. You can hold it and review. You can also copy from it. So I will copy mine. So you have copied. So it's simple. Go and copy yours and go and save it at a save. And if you forget your password, we won't be able to recover your wallets, because before you can review your wallet, your seed phrase or private key, you need to enter your password. That's they are talking about, or that they mean. So if you forget those things, you won't be able. So you haven't started on this project, it's very important to start. This project can be cool because here it is still bullish, things are coming. So the link will be in the description section of the video. If you want to start this project, the link will be in the description. How to create your wallet, the video also will be in the description. See you guys in my next video.